grammar is about GACHI. The grammar of GACHI is mean that tendency to, frequently, often, to do something easily. So it has many meanings, similar meaning in English. Tend to, tendency to, or frequently, often, to do something easily. How to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar gachi, they will use noun and verb with gachi. For now, you just use in that form, nothing change. But for verbs, you should change to be the verb to be the mass form and cut out of masu. For example, ikimasu, you should cut out masu, just say ikigachi, something like this. Or suru shimasu, can cut out must, just say shigachi, something like this. So the main meaning of the gachi is that something is happen easily. For example, you do something you actually wrong to do something, or something that it's hard for you to protect, and it occurs or happen easily. So the next, let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of gachi. 私は仕事でミスしがちです。私は仕事でミスしがちです。Which means I tend to make a lot of mistakes at work. I tend to make a lot of mistakes at work. In this sentence, you see that for the miss is the verb. Verb, which means in the verb of suru, misuru, right? But when you change to the mass form, you can change misshimasu, miss or shimasu, or misshimasu. So cut out of masu, just say mishigachi desu. In this sentence, it means that at work, at your office, you do many mistakes, right? Because for mistake, it's hard to protect. So you do some mistake, and it happen easily for that mistake. So you can say mishigachi desu. 彼女は学校をサボりがちです。彼女は学校をサボりがちです。Which means she's always skipping school. She's always skipping school. That means she often, or she is always absent from the class, from the school. She just goes to play, something like this. ずっと曇りがちの天気が続いている。ずっと曇りがちの天気が続いている。Which means the constant cloudy weather keeps continuing. The constant cloudy weather keeps continuing. In this case, the next example. パソコンの使いすぎで目が疲れがちです。パソコンの使いすぎで目が疲れがちです。Which means my eyes tend to get tired from using computers too much. My eyes tend to get tired from using computers too much. You can see that for these two sentences, the first sentence they will use the noun. Kumori is mean cloud. Kumori and followed by gachi, right? So we can use noun plus gachi. Kumori gachi no tenki ga tsuzuite. That means the cloudy weather keeps continuing. So for the second sentence, you see that they use the verb 疲れる tsukaremasu, right? So when you use the gachi, you change to be the mas form and cut out of mas. Tsukaremasu, right? So you can cut out of masu. Just say 疲れがちです。目が疲れがちです。This is the truth that if you use the computer too much, that means you watch your computer and your eyes can be tired, right? You just want to sleep. So the situation or the situation like this is actually happen with everybody, and you cannot protect that your eye to be not get tired. So it's the situation that's easily happen to everybody that who use the computers. So in this case, you can say 目が疲れがちです。This means it's easily to make your eyes to be tired, get tired, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel. I hope to see you again about learning Japanese grammar. ありがとうございました。